my GuZheng friends, after more than 10 days of wondering, my wazheng of the brand of Haitang has finally arrived. Let's unpack together today. The wazheng is still GuZheng. It refers to the GuZheng made by using the ancient method of hole excavation technology. The timbre is brighter and more pleasant. The package is really considerate. There are plenty of gifts in it. Let's see what we're getting in the box. Let's open the GuZheng bag first. The bag is made of velvet fabric, which is super comfortable. There are fasteners to fix the GuZheng in the bag. There are soft and thick cushions inside of the GuZheng bag, so you don't have to worry about the collision of the GuZheng when you carry the GuZheng to anywhere anymore. There is a full sense of security. Close it up. The outer fabric of the bag also has super good texture. The logo of Haitang Instrument is embroidered on the outside of the GuZheng bag. There is a large pocket and a smaller one at the end of the bag. We can put the GuZheng picks, tape, and other items in it. There is a buckle on each side of the handle part of the GuZheng bag. We can open it or adjust the length of the handle strap. Open the buckle and lengthen the handle strap. Tie it around the GuZheng and plug it back to close it. Then you will have a packing rope. Only lengthen the strap. The GuZheng will turn to a backpack. In addition, the soft cushion has been prepared for you on the handle strap. There is also a handle at the top of the GuZheng bag, because we have a detachable pulley at the bottom. If you can't lift the GuZheng, now you have another option to move it. There are 3 anti-skid pads on the side of the GuZheng bag. Now you don't have to worry your bag will get dirty when you place the GuZheng bag on the ground. Now is the time to look at the wazheng. There are carving Chinese characters and 27 sound holes at the bottom of the GuZheng. A schematic diagram for placing the qinma is attached on the GuZheng soundboard. Let's look closer to the wazheng. The Teflon surface and the embroidery patterns are shining there. But what flowers are they? If you know the answer, please tell me in the comment section. Open this blue box. There are 21 qinma and a wrench for tuning. They are all protected by soft sponge. Therefore, even if it's across the sea, the qinma will not be broken. This is the signature book of 玉面小嫣然. Are there any 小嫣然 fans watching this video? This is a picture album of Junyi GuZheng. There is an introduction to their GuZheng. What else do we have besides these? 1 pack of spare strings, another pack of spare strings, a set of GuZheng picks, a roll of tape, 3 qinma, a pink GuZheng cleaning brush, and a dust-proof cloth. The cloth is very thick, and it can completely cover the GuZheng. Let's set up the qinma now. You just place the qinma according to the schematic diagram. It's super convenient. This is the last 琴码. Let's take a close look. One side of the 琴码 is the tang character of 海棠, and the other side is the number. Done. Let's take a look at the finished work. Open the tuning box. There is a warranty manual. The work inside of the tuning box is also very amazing. Look at the brightness. It can be used as a mirror. When close the cover will have a buffer. Moreover, there are damping stickers on both sides of the tuning box. In this way, the sound will be much softer. Let's listen to the temper. My strings are 6 strings. You can also change them into harder B strings or steel wire strings. Well, that's all for our unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Bye.